What's up YouTube, it's me Priyank and I'm back with another video. In today's video I have an iPad mini which is locked, and in today's video we are going to unlock it. We are going to unlock the passcode by restoring it, as well as we are going to remove the iTunes account as well as the iCloud account on this device. So please stay till the end of the video. So first of all, let me make one thing clear that this is an iPad mini 3, and this trick works for any iPhone iOS based device. It may be an iPhone or an iPad, and the only problem that I have right now is the touch ID and the passcode. But later on, if I reset this iPhone, I'll be asked for an iCloud password as well as an iTunes account. So for that we need to put the device into DFU mode. So to enter DFU mode, you just need to turn off your device and then hold the home button as you plug your device in. So there are various tricks available, but right now in my case I have to hold the lock button and the home button for 10 seconds, and then release the lock button and keep holding the home button for 15 seconds. So that will put me into DFU mode. Another trick is to use the software called ReiBOOT, and that software will basically allow you to put any iOS based device into DFU mode. I have made a separate video which will be in the description. You can check the video and use the software, and it's a free software. And once you are done, you will see this logo with iTunes and a USB wire. So just plug your device into your computer and you are done. So as soon as you plug your device in, you have to open iTunes, or iTunes will automatically open up. Just open iTunes, and you will notice that a device will be plugged in recovery mode. So now you can either restore or update your device. My iPad was running on iOS 10.3.2, and the latest version is 10.3.3. So I just have to download the latest iOS firmware for my device. As you can see over here, the firmware is of around 2.3 GB, and it will take around 7 minutes. So depending on your ISP and internet speed, it might take a little while because the file size is really big. So once the download is completed, it will automatically extract the software and restore your device. Now a quick tip over here is to use your old computer, a computer which was previously used to restore or to sync your iPhone or iPad with, because it might ask you for iTunes password if you use a new computer. So that is a quick tip for people who want to restore their device and have forgotten their iTunes or iCloud password. Just use a computer which was previously used to sync your device on. So that's a quick tip over here. So once everything is done, you will notice a new device is plugged into your computer, and you can now sync your device. Your iPad or iPhone will reboot itself automatically, and you are ready to go. So as you can see, my device has been restored and it is working perfectly. So currently it is running on iOS 10.3.2 because I restored an older version of firmware on this device for forensic purpose. So that's it for the video. Please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends so they can unlock their device. And also please hit the subscribe button, because I'll be back with another video soon, and till then, it's me Priyank signing off.